How y'all doing? It's Pat here with Pat's Rides on my way to West Virginia again, and Tappan Lake and Dam over there to my right on US 250 here in Ohio. I don't think I've ever brought you past here before, but anyway, come and join me for another ride, and we'll be back right after this. Crossing part of the Ohio River, a tributary anyway, into West Virginia. And hey, the gas prices are cheaper down here by about 20 cents. Still on US 250. As you can see by the sign right there, part of Wheeling, West Virginia. So I got a half a tank, 125 miles on it. I think we can keep going for a while. This is the real Ohio River here. Isn't any better than it was several years ago. Holy shit. Oh, that hurt. Wow. Holy shit. US 250 here in West Virginia still sucks. It's a wonderful windy curvy road, but they've got this road in such bad shape still. Bad idea to come this way again. But I bet it's been at least, I don't know, 3 to 5 years since I've been on this road. And the last time it was just like this, where the whole right side is all sunken and caved in, massive bumps. Dangerous to a motorcycle, unfortunately. Not counting the big trucks that have no idea that that yellow line means you're not supposed to cross it. It's July of 2019. If you're planning on coming this way anytime soon, I sure as heck wouldn't recommend it. All things considered, I've seen very few bikes today, and virtually none have waved back. You guys got to get over yourself. It don't matter what you ride, it's the fact that you are riding. Road work half mile, that's how the other sign started when the road was caved in. Can't probably see if there's a big depression right here on my right. This is not a good choice of roads today. Can't wait to hurry up and meet up with US 50 and turn east. One lane road, 1,000 feet. That's probably a caved in road again. Well, it was right here by the looks of things. Nope, I take that back. See? More caved in road. Better downshift. Let me just say this on US 250 in West Virginia. Once you leave the Ohio River area, you might want to stop and get gas. There's not a whole lot of opportunities. I just happened to find gas back there in the town of 100, which was kind of nice because I was approaching the low fuel light area. I put 4.1 gallons in it. I hold 5.8, so I wasn't desperate yet. But I don't like to get ridiculous low because that's the only coolant the fuel pump has. Wow, say it ain't so, Batman. I actually have new pavement. Of course, we're coming into a town. What town? I'm not sure. We'll figure it out when we get here. Welcome to Mannington. Alright, you're in Mannington, West Virginia now. If you've never been to West Virginia, one of the cool things is you get a lot of old buildings like this. That looks like an old train station. Looks like an old hotel or something like that. If you ever get the chance, take some of the West Virginia back roads. Depending on the road, it may be in bad shape, but the scenery's always great. It's an old enough area that there's plenty of history. One thing to note, if you're going to be like this couple in front of me and put aftermarket pipes on or straight pipes, take the time to put on some kind of fuel commander or something like that. His bike is burning extremely rich. All I can smell is raw gas. And then another thing, if you're out for just a simple cruise and you're holding another biker up, scoot over and let them go. Don't hold them up. I mean, it's not like we're even remotely close to the speed limit. Unless we're going downhill. Then we manage to get up to the speed limit. Alright, that's all I wanted for now. See you in a bit. I thought I was gonna have to witness a head-on collision just a minute ago. Jackass on his phone drifted left to center. Luckily he decided to pull off right after that. Not what you wanted to see again right before you get into the twisties on US 50, but the rough road sign back there. I don't know if you noticed it. Check out the GPS there, if you can see it. I don't know if it'll come through or not, but really fun stretch of road when things go your way. really, dude. One lane road, half a mile. Don't tell me this lane is still out. It was like that last year, if that's the case. Well, they got it partially fixed at least. Check out that view. I know I said it last year, but I gotta try to get back down here with the fall colors. Just didn't make it. It's really been hard to get out this year. Rock quarry or something over there. Comes a car behind me. Guess I need to quit gawking or find a place to pull over, get out of their way. Like right here. How's that for a view? Never does justice on camera as it does in real life, though. Go find a spot where we can actually get down there. This was like this last year. I mean, if you're not going to fix it, close the road. Jeez. Back on the road again. Now the non-fun part of this journey begins. I'm gonna wrap it up here and say thanks for watching this. I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up, and even better, please hit that subscribe button. That would help the channel grow a little bit. So I'm going to sign off here on Route 72 in wild, wonderful West Virginia, and we'll see you again in the next video. Again, thanks for watching. Bye. Not sure who Search and Rescue's after, if it's just training mission, but scared the bejesus out of me a little while ago when they were up there. I don't know if I'm getting that on tape or not, but just an H-60 helicopter. You guys would know it better as a Black Hawk from the movies, even though it's not really a Black Hawk, but what the hell? Searching for somebody. Huh. Sure is loud. Hope wherever they're searching for is all right.